Setting goals is one of the most crucial skills for succeeding in all aspects of life. Socrate Mind teaches us that self-reflection and personal knowledge are the first steps in determining what we truly want to accomplish. Without clear goals, we risk drifting through life, influenced by the desires or expectations of others. Defining goals allows us to focus our energy, structure our time, and enhance our perseverance in the face of obstacles. To get started, take the time to deeply reflect on your personal values and priorities. What is truly important to you? Which aspects of your life need transformation? Socrate Mind emphasizes the importance of introspection and mental clarity before taking action. This reflection helps to transform vague wishes into specific and achievable goals. In practice, you can keep a daily journal where you note your aspirations, past successes, and current challenges. The goal is to create a concrete vision of what you want to achieve and begin developing a strategic plan to get there. Self-knowledge is the foundation upon which all future progress will rest. Once this foundation is established, each goal becomes a powerful tool to guide your life toward an intentional and meaningful path. Socrate Mind reminds us that wisdom lies in knowing oneself, and self-knowledge guides every decision and action toward sustainable achievement. For your goals to be effective, they must be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Socrate Mind emphasizes that precision is essential for transforming abstract ideas into concrete actions. A vague goal like becoming happier lacks driving force. In contrast, a specific goal, such as meditating for 15 minutes every morning for 3 months, allows for clear progress evaluation. Measuring success is also crucial. Without indicators, it is impossible to know if you're making progress. Ensure that your goals are achievable to avoid frustration, yet ambitious enough to stimulate personal growth. The notion of realism includes considering your current resources and constraints. Finally, set a precise deadline to create a sense of urgency and commitment. Socrate Mind teaches us that discipline and consistency arise from well-defined goals. Writing down your goals is a powerful step. Putting them on paper clarifies your mind and formalizes your commitment. Once each goal is formulated according to these criteria, you can move on to the next step, which is planning concrete actions to achieve them. Socrate Mind recommends using visualization to enhance motivation and focus. Imagine your goal achieved. Feel the emotion, observe the details, and integrate this experience into your mind. Visualization creates an emotional connection with your aspirations, thereby stimulating your determination to act. Studies show that regular visualization improves performance, confidence, and resilience. Every day, take a few minutes to close your eyes and see your future success as if you were already there. This practice is not just about passive dreaming. It serves as a guide for your daily actions, reminding you why every effort counts. Socrate Mind emphasizes that the mind and body work together. When you envision your success, your brain starts to seek opportunities and generate practical solutions to achieve your goals. Thus, visualization becomes a strategic tool, directing your energy and attention towards what truly matters. Combined with SMART goals, it creates a powerful mechanism for internal motivation and self-discipline. The more detailed and emotionally vivid your visualization is, the more it positively influences your decisions and actions. Having a goal without a plan is like wanting to cross an ocean without a map. Socrate Mind teaches that strategic planning transforms ambitions into tangible steps. Start by breaking down each goal into sub-goals and specific actions. For example, if your goal is to write a book, your sub-goals might include research, writing a chapter each week, and gradual revisions. A well-structured plan includes priorities, deadlines, and necessary resources for each step. Writing this plan down on paper or in a digital application increases commitment and mental clarity. Socrate Mind also reminds us of the importance of flexibility. A plan is not set in stone. It must evolve with circumstances and feedback. Regular action, even minimal, is the engine of achievement. Each small step taken creates a cumulative effect, transforming consistent efforts into significant progress. Finally, a concrete action plan reduces stress and procrastination as it provides a clear roadmap, allowing you to know exactly what to do at every moment. Without a plan, goals remain abstract and difficult to achieve, but with a solid plan, the path to success becomes much more accessible. Socrate Mind emphasizes the mastery of time as a key factor for success. Even the best goals fail without effective time management. Identify your priorities and focus on high-value tasks. Use methods like the Eisenhower matrix to distinguish the urgent from the important. Block specific time slots for your priority activities and limit distractions. Consistency is essential. Small actions repeated daily have a much greater impact than intense but sporadic efforts. Discipline in time management allows you to make steady progress toward your goals, reducing stress and increasing productivity. Socrate Mind reminds us that every lost moment is irreplaceable, and controlling your schedule reflects the mastery of your life. It is also helpful to regularly review your priorities and adjust your schedule based on results and new opportunities. Time planning is not just about organization. It is a philosophy of life that maximizes the potential of each day. By combining clear goals with time management, you create a solid framework to achieve your ambitions effectively and serenely. Motivation is the invisible engine that transforms intentions into concrete actions. Socrate Mind emphasizes that true motivation must come from within. It is not the approval of others or external recognition that creates a lasting commitment, but a deep understanding of why your goals are important to you. To cultivate this intrinsic motivation, start by identifying your core values and linking each goal to these values. For example, if you want to improve your physical condition, your motivation may be tied to health, mental well-being, or the ability to fully enjoy life with your loved ones. Next, use positive reinforcement techniques. Celebrate small victories and acknowledge every progress, no matter how minor. Socrate Mind stresses the importance of creating a supportive environment. Surround yourself with inspiring people, educational resources, and tools that facilitate the achievement of your goals. Motivation is sustained through repetition and awareness of results. Regularly note your progress and visualize the positive impact of your actions on your life and that of others. It is also crucial to turn obstacles into learning opportunities. Rather than getting discouraged by failures, adopt the Socratic perspective that every difficulty contains a valuable lesson. Intrinsic motivation does not depend on external conditions. It relies on discipline, reflection, and alignment between your actions and your deep aspirations. The more conscious your motivation is and nourished by your values, the more capable you will be of maintaining effort, even in the face of difficulties. Finally, know that motivation is not a constant state. It fluctuates. Socrate Mind teaches us to anticipate these fluctuations and create routines that support your goals, even when enthusiasm wanes. Discipline and commitment then become the indispensable complement to intrinsic motivation, ensuring that necessary actions occur regularly and consistently. Cultivating this deep motivation transforms each goal into a path rich in meaning, reinforcing self-confidence and perseverance. Obstacles are an integral part of any journey toward success. Socrate Mind reminds us that every difficulty is an opportunity to develop resilience and wisdom. Identifying potential obstacles in advance allows for the preparation of appropriate strategies. These obstacles can be internal, such as fear, doubt, or lack of discipline, or external, like lack of resources, unforeseen events, or distractions. To overcome procrastination, start by breaking your tasks down into simple, concrete actions. A minimal action completed today often serves as the trigger for lasting momentum. Use time management methods, such as the Pomodoro technique, to maintain focus and avoid distraction. Socrate Mind also emphasizes critical reflection. Question the excuses and limiting beliefs that delay your actions. Ask yourself, is this blockage real or just a perception that I could transform? Visualizing success and future benefits helps to overcome mental inertia. Learn to celebrate your small victories and view each difficulty as a valuable lesson. Perseverance in the face of obstacles not only strengthens the ability to achieve your goals, but also develops character and wisdom. Socrate Mind teaches us that true mastery lies in staying active and engaged, even when motivation wanes or results take time to appear. By combining planning, gradual action, and conscious reflection, each obstacle becomes a springboard rather than a hindrance, transforming challenges into opportunities for personal growth. Discipline is the bridge between goals and their achievement. Socrate Mind emphasizes that discipline is not just about constraint, but about self-governance and coherence between your intentions and actions. To develop it, start by establishing daily routines aligned with your objectives. For example, if your goal is to write a book, set a specific time each day for writing, even if it's just 30 minutes. Consistency is more powerful than sporadic intensity. Next, reduce temptations and distractions. Create an environment that facilitates focus and action. Socrate Mind also recommends practicing daily reflection, evaluating your actions, successes, and shortcomings. This practice enhances self-awareness and allows you to adjust your behaviors to stay aligned with your goals. Discipline is maintained through rituals, habits, and meticulous planning, but also through the ability to forgive yourself and start over after mistakes. The more you anchor your actions in solid habits, the less you depend on fluctuating motivation. Daily discipline transforms effort into automatism, enabling you to progress steadily and sustainably towards your deepest aspirations. By following Socrate Mind, discipline becomes a liberating force that structures your life, giving you control over your time and choices, while ensuring that each day brings you closer to your goals. Regularly evaluating your progress is an essential step to ensure that your efforts remain effective and aligned with your aspirations. Socrate Mind emphasizes the importance of critical reflection and continuous self-assessment. Without this feedback, it is easy to continue moving in a direction that is no longer optimal or to lose sight of your initial priorities. Start by establishing concrete indicators for each goal. These indicators can be quantitative, such as the number of tasks completed, or qualitative, such as the improvement of specific skills. Each week or month, take a moment to review your progress. What have you accomplished? Which actions have been effective and which need adjustment? This practice allows you to identify strategies that work and eliminate those that waste your energy. Socrate Mind also recommends staying flexible and not fearing to modify your goals based on results and the evolution of your personal priorities. Progress evaluation is not limited to measuring visible successes. It also includes analyzing challenges faced and lessons learned. Obstacles or failures should not be seen as definitive failures, but as valuable information to redirect your actions. By regularly adjusting your goals and strategies, you create a dynamic system of continuous growth, where each experience becomes a tool for advancement. Socrate Mind stresses the importance of intellectual honesty. Recognizing your weaknesses and mistakes allows you to develop wisdom and improve effectiveness. This reevaluation process transforms your approach into a virtuous circle. Action leads to evaluation. Evaluation leads to adjustment, and adjustment fuels new, more effective actions. The more you practice this discipline, the more your goals become precise, realistic, and suited to your reality, increasing your chances of sustainable success. Finally, documenting your progress in a journal or tracking sheet enhances clarity and motivation, as you can visualize your evolution and celebrate each milestone achieved. Perseverance is the quality that transforms repeated efforts into lasting achievements. Socrate Mind teaches that ambitious goals require constant commitment and the ability to continue even when results are slow to appear. To maintain this perseverance, it is essential to regularly reconnect with your deep motivations. Remember why each goal is important and how it contributes to your well-being or personal values. Perseverance also involves smart energy management. Alternate between intense effort and recovery to avoid burnout and maintain sustained productivity. Socrate Mind emphasizes that celebrating success, even partial, is essential to nourish motivation and strengthen self-confidence. Every step taken deserves recognition. It reminds you that your efforts yield results and encourages you to continue. Celebration can be simple, like reflecting on the progress made, or more symbolic, like a small ritual to mark each achieved goal. Additionally, share your successes with inspiring and supportive people, as this reinforces your commitment and creates a positive environment around you. Perseverance also includes the ability to learn from setbacks and turn mistakes into opportunities. Socrate Mind reminds us that every failure contains a valuable lesson and that resilience is built by facing difficulties with courage and reflection. By combining perseverance, celebration, and continuous learning, you create a cycle of sustainable progress. Each action brings you closer to your goals, and each success fuels the motivation to go even further. This approach transforms not only your achievements, but also your character, discipline, and personal confidence. Maintaining perseverance and recognizing your successes, big or small, is the key to turning your ambitions into tangible realities and living a life aligned with your values and deep aspirations.